Introducing the DTA-100ST stereo amplifier, where it all begins. Discover the power and elegance of the DTA-100ST, a 100-watt stereo amplifier that embodies simplicity at its finest. The sleek and simple front panel features a power indicator, source switch to choose between Bluetooth and RCA line inputs for your audio sources, and an extra-large volume knob, all you need for easy control. The amplifier's unique pre-out and high-pass filter function allows seamless integration with other amplifiers, such as the DTA-100LF, a dedicated low-frequency amp specifically designed to complement the DTA-100ST. Pairing amplifiers not only ensures top-quality performance for both high and low frequencies, but the DTA-100ST also simplifies control for both components. The front panel knob effortlessly manages volume and preamp settings for both units. Finally, adding to the convenience of the DTA-100ST, auto-on controls automatically power the amplifier on in response to an audio signal and switch off automatically after 15 minutes of inactivity. Modular design meets power, efficiency, and so much more. Don't wait any longer. Get the DTA-100ST today and see where it all begins.